Welcome to Health Starts from Mouth. You're on the right channel. If you have a mouth, you're here. This isn't for dentists. This is for you, the people, for people before they become a patient. That's what I meant to say. What I mean is this is for anybody with a mouth. This is not for people working in the dental industry only, although you may find some value from it as well. So this channel is dedicated. Please like, subscribe, share. Make sure you save this video, this channel, and make sure that you come back to it, or you let YouTube or whatever channel that you're on know that this is the kind of video and content that you'd like to see more of. I mean, even if you don't like to see me, my face, or my voice, the information and the knowledge that I'm about to share in this video is something that is extremely important and something that I intend to make the most important channel when it comes to dental health and your overall health in all of YouTube's and all of the interwebs. So I say that because health starts in the mouth, and your mouth is clearly part of your body, and you can't have a healthy mouth without a healthy body. Or the other way, you can't have a healthy body without a healthy mouth. What I mean by that is health is from head to toe. You can't have health if you don't have it in every place of your body from head to toe, right? You can't leave a part of your body out. So today in the US and in our current healthcare system, we know these things to be true. But everything we do in our healthcare system flies in the face of it. So I have a question for you, and maybe it's something that you can answer, or maybe it's something that you may find confusing or frustrating. But stick with us, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the answers to not just these questions I'm asking, but much more. And more importantly, you're going to learn the answers to your health and your well-being. If you've ever been to a dental office and you've been denied treatment, but you have a health card and you're scratching your head wondering why, my mouth is part of my body, and I know that health starts from my mouth, but why am I being denied, right? I mean, what is the definition between dental and medical anyway? What does that really mean? And if you look at the current system, if you've ever been denied treatment in a dental office, sometimes it's because of the dentist or the dental office manager, but in other cases it's because of this very weird dental denial delusion that we're all living in. And what I mean by that is it certainly is illegal if you went and asked some Joe Schmo down the street for dental or medical advice and they told you what to do. It would be more silly if they told you what to do without ever asking you about your health. It would be even more ridiculous and more silly if not only did they not ask about your health, they were being paid by a company to keep that money and care from you. It would be even more silly, more ridiculous, and downright confusing or frustrating if you went to that Joe Schmo and that Joe Schmo also told you that it didn't matter how healthy you were, to just stick with whatever you've been given. Now, of course, we would know to tell Joe Schmo to go kick rocks, but the funny thing is, this happens every single day, and it's the biggest indicator or predictor of health problems in the US and arguably beyond. What I mean by that is right now we know the mouth is the most important part of the body, yet we go into a dental office and we're okay with being denied our treatment. And the reason why we're being denied is because we just don't know any better as patients. We don't know what to ask for, and we just don't know what we don't know. What I mean is, would it make any sense to you that you get denied a dental treatment because the doctor that you're currently seeing agrees that you do need surgery. There's no other specialist or doctor that is supposed to be treating and taking care of your mouth. It's only a dentist or an oral surgeon that can do this, right? And most people don't have a regular oral surgeon that they work with, right? We're talking about surgery. In most cases, you want to avoid surgery altogether, but we have a dentist, and that doctor is the doctor that we see for our mouth. So after we see a dentist, the doctor of our mouth, and they tell us we have a health condition or we have a dental or medical, whatever condition, we have something that needs to be fixed, and then they go tell you to go ask your health insurance or ask Medicare to go cover it, there's this very interesting thing that happens here in the US. Now, not all the time, because if you heard and you watched the news in November last year, 2022, and it became effective this year, January 1st, 2023, dental is now covered by medical in any medically necessary conditions or any health related conditions. And you can look up the article. I'll put a screenshot or I'll put a link down below this video. But make sure that you understand how to use this information for your benefit so you can save you or your family or your friends money that they don't need to be spending, because Medicare or their medical insurance should be paying for any of the health reasons from head to toe. That's what the coverage is for in the first place, right? So back to the example. You have a dentist that you just saw. They examined you and they diagnosed, yes, you do need a treatment. Now, here's the dental denial delusion that I am still scratching my head about. Right now, we're okay with, or we accept, a doctor giving us a treatment and then us going to an insurance company, someone that is not a doctor, sometimes they're a nurse, but there may not even be a nurse. They definitely haven't seen me as the patient. They aren't anywhere near me. They don't understand my needs as a patient. And they definitely don't have my best interests in need or in mind. Yet they diagnose or they say, I've looked at the situation and I'm going to just deny your medical benefits because it's a dental case. How does that even make sense in the first place at all? Meaning, it shouldn't be possible for anyone other than a doctor to give you a medical diagnosis, whether it is medical or whether it is not medical. However, we've allowed this very weird Twilight Zone situation where it's okay for you to go see a dentist, yet you don't take care of the most important part of your body because somebody that's not a doctor, that shouldn't even be allowed or legally say what she said or he said, and somehow this situation prevents us from getting surgery. I know this sounds vague and I know this may have been confusing the way I said it, so I apologize and please bear with me here. But nothing about our dental insurance and medical insurance system makes sense for the most important part of our body. So that's what I want to say here on this video. Welcome to this channel. I invite you to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for this and many more videos to come. I'll see you on the next one.